What you're looking at is the finish of our pool that we just had done. Now, this is a product from PMM Marbletite or Marbletite. I'm not really sure of the company name. But we have a couple of seats in the pool, 3 seats in the pool. And we put 2 tiles on each seat just to dress it up a little bit. But now this finish here is a color called Azure. Let's take a good look at it. And what we opted for with the color Azure was we added the glass beads. And the glass beads that we picked have pieces of seashell in them. So when you see these shimmering pieces like this, that's a piece of seashell. And the glass bead color that we picked was called Blue Treasure. You don't see a lot of people advertising, and not advertising, but showing you really in-depth the color that they get from the finish. I wanted to do that because there's a lot of people out there that they see the pool from a distance, and the color water that you see here is a real, like almost Caribbean blue. Now what we had before was just basic white pool plaster, and that finish was probably about 21 years old. It should have been redone a while ago, but we got around to it this year. We're both retired, and we do enjoy our pool in the summer quite a bit, so why not have it look as best as you can. Now I'll take you over to the seats. Not the seats, but the steps. Now in the step area, we had more tile put in. There's 9 tiles in the steps. 3 steps is 2, 3, and 4. And then a couple more tiles over here. And then a couple more tiles down there. But that's it. That's the color Azure with the addition of blue glass beads. Take care.